Well, police has claimed to arrest two persons, and one of them is still at large. Udayveer Yadav, which family has suspected in the crime, he is still at large, and police is on the lookout. The two arrested persons are Naresh and another person is Kailash Yadav. Naresh was working along with the girl in the same garment factory where she was working, and it is being said that both of them had left the place in the night around 9 o'clock with a margin of say 5 minutes, and later Naresh joined the girl on her way to home, and the place where the body was found, Udayveer Yadav and Kailash Yadav were already working, already waiting for Naresh to come, and then they had murdered the girl. It is not confirmed by the police whether she was raped or not, but perhaps one of the accused was very close to the girl, as police says. I have spoken to the SSP of Noida. He said that the girl wanted to get married to that boy, but it is revealed that he was already married and very reluctant to get married to this girl. Police also said that the girl was having very close relationship with the Naresh, who she was working with in the garment factory. So police is yet to establish whether she was raped or not. It could have been a gang rape, but it could be a gang rape, but that is not confirmed whether, because the viscera report and the vaginal swab has already been sent to the forensic lab, and the result is still awaited. Perhaps police is to confirm only after the report comes. Prima facie, family alleged that this is a rape cum murder case. Yeah, five of the police constables were been suspended by the SSP in this particular case. Two of them were deployed in the area where the body was found. They were from the PCR, Shailendra and Rajkumar. Both of them had found in negligence of their duty, and three of the constables are from the Model Town Chowki, where the family had gone to lodge the missing complaint, and they allegedly said that she is an adult and she could have run away with the friend, or had gone with the friend. So family was very outraged on this. Villagers had protested when the body of the girl was not given to them, and police had taken back the body in the jeep, and the family had to later on, SSP himself had come to the family and handed over the body, and they protested on the NH24 highway, where the police has to resort to lathi charge to disperse the mob. In a way, media pressure has also worked to crack the case as soon as possible, but again, Udayveer, the main suspect, is still large, and police is still not very clear how the crime could have been committed, because it is said that Kailash was already having some grudge against the girl. So police is to come up with the same theory, and the family is to say more on that, because there are some loopholes, because Udayveer had barged into the house earlier, and Kailash also already had some very bad relationship, or had a grudge against the girl. So still the picture is not very clear.